Hey wadau, viewers and followers of FM Show KE, kwa sasa tumerejea na story nyingine, and as of right now tunamguzia Reverend Kathy Kiuna ambaye leo ameweza kuteuliwa officially kama bishop kuweza kuwakilisha kanisa na kusimamia kanisa la Jubilee Christian Church ambalo linatambulikana kama JCC. Leo kumbuka, ni siku chache zimepita, ikiwa ni siku ya Jumatano ndipo aliweza kumzika mmewe aliyekuwa the general overseer wa kanisa la JCC, Bishop Alan Kiuna. Now Kathy Kiuna has been named as the new bishop of Jubilee Christian Church JCC just days after the passing of her husband Bishop Alan Kiuna, who succumbed to cancer. The announcement was made during a church service at JCC Parklands on July 21st by guest speaker Nigerian preacher Reverend Funky Felix Adejumo. During the service, Reverend Funky Felix Adejumo revealed that she had been instructed by God to ordain. She had been instructed by God. By God to ordain Kathy as the next bishop following her husband's demise. Now, I shall quote what Adejumo said. My assignment is to present to you your new bishop. The official consecration will come later to formalize it, but from now, you are free to call her my bishop. Kathy Kiuna, who has been a pillar of support for the late Bishop Alan Kiuna, was unaware that her title would change that day. God has put in her what it takes, and the name changes from today. From today, I present to you no longer Reverend, but Bishop Kathy Alan Kiuna, Adejumo stated. She emphasized that Kathy is well equipped to lead the church and should be respected in a new role. Reverend Adejumo also issued a stern warning to the congregation, urging them to respect Kathy's new position. She boldly stated that anyone thinking of undermining the church should leave and start their own. Quoting Ezra 6:11, she warned, "Whoever shall alter this word, let timber be pulled down from his house, and being set up, let him be hanged." She further added, "If you want to leave this ministry to go and start Original International JCC, don't trouble this house. Don't badmouth this ministry. Don't take any member along. Don't muddle the water that fend you. Just go and start by your own. I was sent from Nigeria to come and warn you. If you want to exit because you loved Bishop, not Lady Bishop, it's okay. We too, we don't want you. Ungrateful people are not bad. They are evil. If you want to go, we say bye-bye. Just carry your wife and children and go. What our Father left here is joy and unity." Kathy Kiuna took a moment to appreciate her children during the service, addressing why her daughter, Stephanie, was unable to attend her father's burial. And I shall read this. She says, "I thank God for my children. We miss Stephanie so much. She really did try to come, but for issues beyond our control, she was not able to come. But she will come very soon together with our family," Kathy explained. Despite the grief, Kathy Kiuna encouraged the congregation to remain united and continue the legacy of the late Bishop Alan Kiuna. And I shall quote her, "I know that we are grieving, and we will grieve. But one thing I know for sure, the script writer has never made a mistake. Let us walk this journey as JCC," she said. Kathy also mentioned that a spiritual mentor told her that God is calling her to start a movement. "JCC, you have no idea what God is able to do. Let us rally together and do this for the King of Kings," she urged. Yes, Reverend Kathy Kiuna is now a bishop. As also she revealed, the reason why her daughter was not able to make it to the burial of her dad is because of an unavoidable things that are happening to her in the United States, where in Australia. No, she's in United States. Yes, and that's what's up. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, FM Show KE. See you in our next videos.